up guys, welcome back to Somu's channel, and today we are going for a trip. It's not even a trip actually. It's just that we're gonna go see a waterfall which is quite near from Somu's house.
Yeah, it's some 22 kilometers only.
So expect a very cool ass video, and I'm the vlogger Yankee signing off today. I'll see you in 5 minutes. No, just kidding. I'll see you in
all the way. Some 5 minutes only.
5 minutes.
All the way.
So we're gonna take the lift. Oops, lift is not working.
So sad.
Yeah, so we're gonna take the staircase now.
5 floors down.
Yeah, we're on the 5th floor. Yeah.
We have reached the waterfall and we have to walk. So yeah, we are walking right now, and I can't see the waterfall right now, but yeah. Oh my god, they're so excited. I'm gonna show you. All of them are so excited. Well, we walked from there. Here. So there. And they are like so excited. It's not really far from my home, like the home in Bangalore. It's just 15 kilometers somewhere in Karnataka road, so it's not that far for us. And yeah, we were searching for some place to visit, like waterfall kind, and we found one which was close, not that far, and now we are here. Actually, we don't have any idea about the waterfall, how it is. I hope it's not that one, but yeah, let's see how it is. So here we go. So we expected something else, but this is the waterfall. I don't know, we have never been here, so this is the waterfall, and I don't know where is the fall. It's just water. So let's see. ये तो कुआं है. Carlos. Oh my god, it's so dirty. Oh my god.
Oh
Oh my god, it's so scary. Come, we'll go that way. Anyway, we have come to visit waterfall. So yeah, let's go. It's okay. Oh my. So it was actually a river, not a waterfall. We came all the way, but it's just a river. So the waterfall which we expected was not the one, but it's just a river flow and not a water flow. And our expectation went down. But yeah, we enjoyed taking pictures in the middle of this jungle. And this is the water, not waterfall, but just a river flow. It's a river, which they know as a waterfall, but no. And so we took pictures there in the jungle area. Yeah. And now they're gonna make some videos, I guess. So I guess this is the waterfall. And now we are going back. There's nothing to say. So yeah, we are going back.
Tinami fan 1, Tinami fan 2, Tinami fan 3.